Hello everybody! So today I'm just going to show you what I picked up at the Dollar Tree and H-E-B so that I can make both my husband and my son's teacher some Valentine's Day gifts. I am doing something similar for the both of them, but I will show you. It's not much different, but you know, one caters more to my husband's likes, and then the other one it's more, for a teacher. So pretty much everything I got was with a coupon except for those candy bars right there and the Munster cheese. And it was the in-store coupons at H-E-B. So if I bought the Belvita, I could get the cookies for free. And it was buy one get one free for this Opa. So I got al pastor slices, it's pork, and then I got chicken gyro slices. And then if you bought this shredded beef, you could get the pickles, the beans, the Snapple, and the buns for free. And then I got 2 for $5 on these little Debbie cakes. There's 2 of them. It's $5. And then this really cool bottle right here is balsamic vinegar. And then you could get this Thai red curry sauce for free. It was 3 for $5 for the Pringles. I love to eat Pringles, and so does my son, so I got that. And then it was buy 2, get the third for free. So I got Reese's, and then Kisses with almonds, and Kisses that are flavored like lava cake. And I thought that would be really cool. And I'll show you what I'll be doing with that when I show you what I got from Dollar Tree. But then I got this beefsteak link, and then I got big kahuna cashews, and then a cluster of what is it called, candy bars. And then the last thing is this 32 pack of chips and 2 Capri Suns. So this is what I got at Dollar Tree. This is for my son's teacher, the vase, the flowers, and then this is all one bundle, and then this pretty balloon, and then this card. It says, "You're smart, you're creative, you make learning fun, and you care, and it shows." So I thought that was cool. And then this one's for my son, this card is for my husband, and then this balloon and this red coffee mug are also for my husband, and they're going to be kind of like vase things, like a bundle, like a bouquet, but with some stuff. And the teacher's is gonna have flowers and candy, and then my husband's is gonna have and then the balloon as well, and some candy and some nuts, like cashews and pistachios or something like that. I don't know. And then candy bars. So I got that at the dollar store. And then I also got this bucket because I needed to put some of my baby's loose things in it, like her hairbrush, her butt paste, and a few other essentials, because they're all just kind of sitting on a shelf, and so I got that to put that in. So here's what we got. I have a card for both of them, but then for my husband I have a coffee mug because he loves coffee and tea, and then this is his side. He loves cashews, so I got him those. Almond Joy, 3 Musketeers, Payday, and then some beef jerky. And then for the both of them, for the base, I'll be having a mixture of Reese's peanut butter cups, miniatures, lava cake flavored Kisses, and then Kisses with almond in them. And then her candy bar is a Snickers, Kit Kat, and Almond Joy. And so I'll like fill up halfway or maybe full way with candy for the vase and the coffee mug, and they each have a balloon. But for her, I got some pretty flowers and hearts, and basically all was Dollar Tree except for these 3 bags and then the candy bars. Everything else is Dollar Tree. So I'll do that, but I'm gonna have to get some skewers to put on the back of these candy bars and then his snacks, and then I'll stick them up and they'll be held up by pretty much the candy. So with my husband's gift, I have the mug, and then I'm going to put a little bit of the Reese's Puffs, or not Puffs, sorry, Pieces, and then the real Hershey's Kisses, so I'm going to put more of those with almonds, and then these with the lava cake. Alright, so that's all of that, and then I'm going to stick the balloon in it. And then I'm going to get skewers and attach these skewers and then put them in like a little bouquet. So for my husband's gift, I'm using these popsicle sticks because his is a lot shorter than the vase. So I'm just taping this on. It's hard to do with one hand. And the last one, Three Musketeers. That's his favorite. So just stick that in. And then there's the balloon in the back. I'll probably cut it shorter because it kind of just sticks out so far. But that is the both of them. Some ribbon and some unused pencils, and most of them were Valentine's themed, so I just added a bunch of the pencils into the back. That way it kind of added in, and that way no matter where she turns she's got a nice gift to look at. So now it's the final product.